So it's been an amazing journey. हम वही कपल हैं जिसके बारे में बताया था. हम लोग एक मतलब we were always fighting and going out of our lives and doing whatever in our lives. And Ramon just holded us, and now we are expecting a child on June. So this is so we are going out of a course. हम सबूत के साथ जा रहे हैं कि हाँ हमें पसंद आया है और हमें अच्छा लगा है.
Thank you so much, Ramon. I have no words to thank her. It's been a lovely experience. Life was good, but now it's wonderful now after this journey with.
ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਗਏ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਰਮਨ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ.
This program has actually, I can just sum it up by saying that this has introduced me to myself. We take our parents for granted, वो तो हैं ही, they will take care of things around. But it is so different when you look at life, when you look at things differently, it gives you a whole new perspective. The respect, just the feeling of not taking anyone for granted and giving them their due credit. It's a different feeling altogether.
So this has been the biggest problem, I don't know what word to use, the biggest pain point in my life. And it was completely healed when I came to Ramon. And today, something which I was very embarrassed about when I was a small child, or rather even when I was, till 2 years back I was embarrassed कि यार ये life में क्या लोचा है यार ये फालतू का. But now I am proudly in front of all of you, I can say I have 2 sets of parents and I'm really lucky to have them.
My parents have really changed after this course, and they actually started enjoying it, and they face it, and they are so happy, and they are actually changed, and they are enjoying every moment.
ज़िंदगी कैसे जीनी है, कैसे चलना है, इसके लिए इस कोर्स को करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड थैंक्स टू रेमॉन यहाँ तक लाने के लिए. शुक्रिया. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
I thought, and everyone else also around used to tell me, you don't need to go and do anything. But when I came here and I got to know I'm not whole and complete, I was in bits and pieces. But coming here changed me as a person. And thank you, Ramon, for making me, my family, whole and complete. Love you. Can't thank you enough actually for what you've given to us.
For me, everything was like चिल्ला दो, गुस्सा कर दो तो सब अपने आप चुप हो जाएंगे. And this is what I used to do till now कि बच्चों पे चिल्ला दो, पति पे चिल्ला दो, गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, अपने आप चुप हो जाएंगे जब हम चिल्लाएंगे तो. But that way was not right to shout on everyone. And yes, my aggression towards the male energy was so dominating that I never involved male energy in my life. I never involved my father. I never involved my father-in-law, in fact. But yes, today I can say that I love you, Papa. And this is a big line for me to say.
Where I was fighting every day, today I am talking all positive to him. And I've suggested to one of my cousins who has an engineering and management college to have a permanent, regular class of this life coach in his college.
My mom's ma'am, I hears in my mom's ma'am's like any voice, and my mom and dad reads always, and the certificate, I'm so happy that.
Wow. I came to Ramon ma'am from a different mindset. I was confused in my career choices, but I didn't know what this journey has in it for me. It has been a discovery for me about myself. She's made me know myself, and that disconnection is no more. Thank you. Thank you for making me introduced to myself. And thank you for teaching me the actual meaning of life and how I can handle and function from love and only love. Not everything is above that. Thank you.
टोटली हम अपनी ही सिचुएशंस में घूमते रहते थे, झगड़ते रहते थे, एंड नाउ शी इज टीचिंग अस हाउ टू डील विद योर लाइफ. So it's a very huge transformation. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much to Raymond ma'am for making this. Thank you so much.
To be honest, I never loved myself. I was always pleasing people, always being diplomatic so that सब खुश रहे मुझसे. अंदर से I was always angry with पापा, with मम्मा कि आपने जो भी किया क्यों किया या जो भी था, हमेशा I was upset with them. But I never showed it to them. It's within this year that I went and I expressed my love to my father for the first time. I went to Pathankot, I hugged him and I said, I love you so much for what you have given me.
मेरी ज़िंदगी के वो 33 साल एक तरफ हैं और ये 1.5 साल ज़िंदगी का एक तरफ है. आई यूज़ टू फाइट विद माई फैमिली एवरी डे एवरी नाइट. मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए यही गलत है, मैं हमेशा सही हूँ, हमेशा. लेकिन मैं गलत था, अभी भी गलतियाँ करता ही हूँ. बट दे सपोर्ट मी लाइक एनीथिंग. इतना प्यार दिया है लेकिन मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं कि उनका प्यार है कहाँ पे. मैं हमेशा अंधा ही रहा. बट शी शोड मी द राइट थिंग इन द राइट पाथ. एंड मम्मा पापा चाचा चाची, एक टिपिकल दामाद होता है ना, वो मैं था. मतलब मैंने ना सबका जीना आराम करा हुआ था अगर हिंदी में बोलूँ तो. सो I thank you all for being there every time when I broke down.
Vaibhav has immense clarity of mind and after this program he has become super confident.
ज़िंदगी है सेंसिबल जीने के लिए और अपना एक एक पैटर्न समझने के लिए. वो दैट शरारती बच्चा वाज मी एंड मैं अपना शरारतीपन खो चुकी थी. तो वो शरारतीपन मुझे वापस मिल गया एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
I will sum up the entire thing into 2 lines. That it is a journey from them to me and from me to us. So I would like to thank Ramon for coming into my life, for touching my life.
He was such a lovely child in his childhood, full of joy, always singing, and he somehow lost that freeness. And I hope his freeness has now come. So it's not only about your habits and manners and attitude, it's also getting out of the trauma. Thank you.
Ramon is a mentor who can change everybody's life through her experience.
I've known her as a very happy person from the very beginning, but now I can say that it's the kind of happiness I see in her that radiates onto others as well. So I think that's the total joyous, like a complete joy that I see in her now.
I don't know how people have changed or people have changed or I have changed, but I know this thing, that for me this journey had been only for me and only me. It's me who is seeing the world with different colors. For me, things have changed, It's success to me is happiness. Health, health for me is now wealth. And inner peace is my soul. That's the only thing I can say.
Today, really, Ramon, thank you so much. I wish my parents were there because today is one day I would really have wanted to share with them. I always thought I had a lot of angst against my father, a lot of angst. And I think I've had my completion. Thank you so much.
What has changed? Nothing. We keep on fighting. We fight the way we used to fight 30 years back. We still fight. So what's the change? Oh, only thing what has changed, I think, and which is big, that we fight for 15 to 20 minutes, and we don't carry it for 2, 3, 4 days, 5 days, and so it's more like switch on, switch off.
First of all, Ramon, thanks a million for sending back my love, the original love, to me. For Bhanvi, I've just kind of penned down a few lines I'd like to.
Please go ahead.
भानवी, तेरे होने से दिल को सुकून मिलता है, तेरे होने से लबों पे मुस्कुराहट आती है. तू जो हमारा हाथ पकड़ ले एक बार, हमारे कांटों की राह फूलों की बन जाती है. तू नामुमकिन को भी हाँ बोल दे तो खुदा उसको मुमकिन कर देता है. तू ही तो है जो हमारी जिंदगी में बहार लेके आती है. तू गर्दिश का वो तारा है जिसने हमें जीने की सही राह दिखाई है. तू ही तो वो है जिसने हमारी जिंदगी इतनी हंसी बनाई है. तू एक नायाब हीरा है जिसे रमोन ने तराशा है। और आज ए मेरे हमसफ़र, तू ये यकीन कर, तेरी चमक इस दुनिया पे छाई है। एंड ऑल्सो आई लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट ईच मेंबर ऑफ बैच 4 टुडे। आप लोगों ने जो रास्ता चला है ये 1 साल 1.5 साल में, वो आसान नहीं है। मैंने देखा है जो इसने चला है। आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू डिजर्व अ बिग pat and a big round of applause for each one of you.
रमोन ने सबको समझा दिया है कि जिंदगी अच्छी है और उसको जीना कैसे है।
जिंदगी अच्छी है।
जिंदगी अच्छी है।
जिंदगी अच्छी है।
वाकई जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी।
My commitment to this program is I start the journey, but जब तक 100 on 100 हमको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता, हम ग्रेजुएशन का डेट डिक्लेयर नहीं करते हैं। So the commitment is हर एक इंसान को अपनी फैमिली वापस मिलती है, माँ बाप वापस मिलते हैं, and that is when we declare the end of the graduation. What a wonderful planet would it be if each one of us loved our own families like this, and that's the dream of Golden Age.